Hey guys, welcome back. In this video I am going to showing you how to build R-G-B remote controlled VU meter. In this VU meter, we will use only LM3914 IC and R-G-B strip controller, not required programmed IC. Setup 7809 IC. Setup 7812 IC. Setup LM3914 IC. Setup EC558 transistor. Setup in 4148 Zener diode. Setup 680 ohm resistor. Setup 2.2 UF 16 volt capacitor. Setup 1 kilo resistor. Setup 1 UF 16 volt capacitor. Setup 10 R-G-B common anode LED. In this R-G-B LED I am purchased on Amazon.
The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted.
I will give the buy link in the video description. Setup 10 BC557 transistor.
Want to take it all, standing tall.
Setup R-G-B LED controller. Link 7809 first pin to 7812 first pin. Link 7809 second pin to 7812 second pin. Link LM3914 IC third pin and 9th pin. Link LM3914 IC second pin, 4th pin and 8th pin. Link LM3914 IC 6th pin and 7th pin. 680 ohm resistor connected on LM3914 IC 6th pin and 8th pin. 2.2 UF capacitor positive pin connected on LM3914 IC 5th pin. 2.2 UF capacitor negative pin connected on LM3914 IC 8th pin. BC558 transistor 3rd pin connected on LM3914 IC 3rd pin. BC558 transistor 1st pin connected on 1 kilo resistor and LM3914 IC 5th pin. 1 kilo resistor another end connected on LM3914 IC 8th pin. BC558 transistor 2nd pin connected on in 4148 Zener diode positive terminal. Zener diode negative terminal connected on BC558 transistor 3rd pin. BC558 transistor 2nd pin connected on 1 UF capacitor positive pin. Link all BC557 transistor 3rd pin. All transistor 3rd pin connected on LM3914 IC 9 pin. First transistor 2nd pin connected on LM3914 IC 1st pin. Second transistor 2nd pin connected on LM3914 IC 18 pin. Third transistor 2nd pin connected on LM3914 IC 17 pin. Fourth transistor 2nd pin connected on LM3914 IC 16 pin. Fifth transistor 2nd pin connected on LM3914 IC 15 pin. Sixth transistor 2nd pin connected on LM3914 IC 14 pin. Seventh transistor 2nd pin connected on LM3914 IC 13 pin. 8 transistor 2nd pin connected on LM3914 IC 12 pin. 9 transistor 2nd pin connected on LM3914 IC 11 pin. 10th transistor 2nd pin connected on LM3914 IC 10 pin. First R-G-B LED positive pin connected on first transistor 1st pin. Second R-G-B LED positive pin connected on 2nd transistor 1st pin. Third R-G-B LED positive pin connected on 3rd transistor 1st pin. Fourth R-G-B LED positive pin connected on 4th transistor 1st pin. Fifth R-G-B LED positive pin connected on 5th transistor 1st pin. Sixth R-G-B LED positive pin connected on 6th transistor 1st pin. Seventh R-G-B LED positive pin connected on 7th transistor 1st pin. 8 R-G-B LED positive pin connected on 8th transistor 1st pin. 9 R-G-B LED positive pin connected on 9 transistor 1st pin. 10th R-G-B LED positive pin connected on 10th transistor 1st pin. Link all RGB LED red LED terminal. Link all RGB LED green LED terminal. Link all RGB LED blue LED terminal. 7809 third pin connected on LM3914 IC third pin. 7809 second pin connected on LM3914 IC 8 pin. Guys, now talk about this RGB LED remote controller. Guys, I will purchase this RGB LED controller on Amazon. It's a very cheap price. I will give the buy link in the video description. Okay guys, now talk about this RGB controller connections.
Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding.
Red wire connected on red LED. Green wire connected on green LED. Blue wire connected on blue LED. Black wire is not a use. IR sensor. DC 12 volt input socket. This the remote for this RGB LED controller. Back to the schematic. Okay guys, now connect 7812 IC third pin to RGB LED controller positive terminal. LM3914 IC 8 pin connected on RGB LED controller negative terminal. RGB LED controller blue wire connected on RGB blue LED terminal. RGB LED controller green wire connected on RGB green LED terminal. RGB LED controller red wire connected on RGB red LED terminal. Audio input source. Plus 12 to 24 volt input. Circuit setup will be completed. Guys, I already placed out components on this PCB. Let's talk about the components. 7809 regulator. 7812 regulator. LM3914 IC. Switching transistors. Preamplifying transistor.
Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm hearing, I'm feeling.
Audio sensitivity controller.
Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to